Hey YouTube, what's up? What's up? I hope you guys have been good. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I just thought that I might leave you guys with a trade review that I took, a trade that I took on Friday. Alright, so just to give you guys my thought process behind it and what I was expecting, and obviously my objective. Okay, so initially I was looking at Nasdaq, right, to present to me certain things before taking a trade, but Nasdaq joined the party late. Okay, so I took a trade on US30, but keep in mind that I framed my trade around Nasdaq. So once Nasdaq wasn't giving me what I was looking for, I went to US30 because I was waiting for certain things to happen. Okay, so US30 gave me the same trade that I was looking for on Nasdaq, so I didn't have to change my bias or look for something different. All right, so what I was looking for on Nasdaq, US30 showed to me. That's why I took the trade on US30 and not on Nasdaq, because like I said, Nasdaq joined the party a bit late. Right, so looking at it on the 1 hour time frame, I'm just going to mark out Thursday. Okay, so this was Friday, right? So that sell off, that was the trade that I caught, but on US30, right? So I used Nasdaq, right? Initially I wasn't planning on using Nasdaq for US30. Like I said, I was solely focusing on Nasdaq for that day, but when Nasdaq did not present to me what I wanted at that time, I switched over to US30 and took the trade there, right? And then a couple of minutes later, I went back to Nasdaq and saw that Nasdaq gave me the entry that I was looking for, but like I said, it joined the party late and I was already in US30, so I wasn't willing to risk going to Nasdaq and taking a trade there. Okay, so this was Thursday, right? You can see we have Thursday's low and Thursday's high. So what I was looking for, I was looking for a run below a liquidity pool, right? Initially I was waiting for a run below London or yesterday's high, right? And I did state in my Telegram channel that I am waiting for that being a run below London or yesterday's high before taking a trade. Right, so that was what I was waiting for, right? If I didn't get any of that, meaning that if price just went straight through yesterday's high and continued higher, I wasn't going to trade. Or if price just dropped lower and didn't give me anything below London's low, then I wasn't going to trade. So let me just head to the Telegram channel just to show you guys. Okay, so here, the 22nd, I said that on the opening 15:31, all right, that's 9:30 in New York local time. So I said I'd like to see a run below London's low or yesterday's high on Nasdaq before engaging with price. Okay, so London's low was here, and obviously you can see we had the run above yesterday's high, right? So I got that. So we had a run above yesterday's high. Okay, and once we got that, I went straight down to the lower time frames to look for my entry. All right, and the rules that I do wait for. Okay, so straight off the back, if you head to the 5-minute, you can see that this was the high, Thursday's high. All right, and this trade happened in the AM session. Okay, so yeah, you can see that AM session opened up. All right, we had that volatility, all right, at 9:30, and we had the run above Thursday's high, and we broke lower. So while price traded lower, okay, we can see that price took out a low right here, okay, and while doing so, right, so that low right there, we can also see that price left a fair value gap, okay, and then price traded lower. All right, so if you missed that, price gave another entry right here, okay, taking out this low, and price also left another fair value gap right there, and the price gave you another entry. Okay, so this is what I was waiting for on Nasdaq, but yeah, she came late to the party, so my trade was US30. Okay, so I marked out everything beforehand because I did share what happened on my Telegram channel, but just to explain it on the video, you can see that on the daily time frame, price traded into a premium. Okay, let me just take out this. Yeah, we can see that price traded into a premium and price traded above the high. All right, price took the buy side liquidity and price also traded into this imbalance right here. Okay, so that was enough confirmation for me to scale in and to look for any opportunities. Okay, but if you look at US30, all right, let's just mark out Thursday so you guys can see it wasn't as clear as Nasdaq. So this was US30 Thursday. All right, so you can see that the low, all right, on US30, Thursday's low and the high. Okay, so you can see that it wasn't as clear as Nasdaq was. All right, so Nasdaq gave lovely price action, but US30 gave the entry beforehand. Okay, so it would have been nice if US30 had Nasdaq's price delivery, but yeah. Let's get down to the 15-minute just to clear it up a bit. Okay, so the objective was London's low, all right, sell side liquidity. So this is where I was willing to take price. Okay, so once price hit that was the take profit objective level. That was logical, but obviously you can see price traded lower. Okay, price traded into this fair value gap right here. Okay, so it was a lovely price delivery on Friday, right, US30. But looking at my entry, let's head down to the 5-minute, right, so price didn't give anything for you. Okay, if you like using the 5-minute, all right, it's good to be flexible with your time frames so that you learn how to navigate through all the time frames. All right, just know that you need to get comfortable with going back and forth looking for specific things on specific time frames. Okay, so you can see that once price gave in that volatility, okay, at 9:30 right here, you can see that price traded lower. Okay, this was in the AM session, just to get you guys on track, right? The AM session, you can see that price traded lower. Okay, and then price failed to take out this high right here. Okay, and price traded lower again. Price broke market structure. Price gave a nice market shift, and while doing so, price left a fair value gap. So once price did that, okay, my entry was right there. Okay, so this right here, let me just mark this out. Let's use this. So this right here was my drawdown. Okay, that right there, that was my drawdown. My stop loss was above this candle's high. Okay, there. And the objective, right, once price trades below this low right here, okay, or this low, that's when you can start to take some profit off. Okay, but once price traded below this low, right, I then moved my stop loss aggressively to this high right here, just slightly above this high. Okay, so yeah, it was a lovely trade, and you can obviously see that price came back up into the fair value gap again, trading lower. Okay, giving you another entry, and then price made a lovely run to the sell side liquidity, being the low of London. So this was a nice trade. Okay, yeah, like I said, it would have been nice if this happened on Nasdaq, because yeah, Nasdaq's price on Friday was just beautiful. It was lovely. But yeah, just to show you guys the entry on US30. So that is me just showing the charts. All right, yeah, so you can see there was the entry. Okay, and price triggered me in there. So like I explained, this was my drawdown. My stop loss was initially above this high. Okay, and then price traded lower, right? So price took out this low and price took out this low, right? So then I moved my stop loss, right? So then once price traded lower again, I then moved it above this high, but then price came back up and took me out for a break even. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. It's a good trade. I'm happy with it. But yeah, so that was it for this video. Okay, so I just felt like, let me just upload a video for YouTube, because it's been a while, you know, because I am busy with other stuff, but I'll try to make more time for YouTube and upload more frequently. Okay, it will mostly be trade reviews, all right, but I will upload analysis, or like what I usually do, the Sunday breakdown videos. Okay, but for now I'll just upload trade reviews. Okay, so I hope you guys have a blessed week. I hope you guys keep safe. All right, trade safe, and remember to always focus, guys. Stay focused, and yeah, always use a stop loss. Yeah, that's all I'm saying. But yeah, have a blessed trading week, and until I talk to you guys again, happy trading, and may God bless you. Cheers.